Hi guys, just to let you know what's happening. I do have a problem with my clutch. I don't know if it's the fork but it's rubbing and scraping. So get some money put aside to pay for it. I might have to do it myself because I got quoted 650 for the clutch kit, which is about I don't know, about 240, 200, something like that, and then the rest in labour. But yeah, I'm back at my ex's, good and bad. It's gonna be, well, I get to see the kids regular, so that's one good thing, even though they're a bit wild. But yeah. Daughter can see Patch whenever she wants. But yeah, I'm on the driveway at the moment. It's a bit green. They need cleaning it, but I'm not going to do it unless she pays me. But yeah, yeah, I got to change that green horrible fuel line, which is connected to my pump. Sorry, not pump, heater, because it keeps letting air in and it's crap. So I've got one of these new ones and a new fuel filter, and I'm gonna change that and all the way around. I've put my heater like this because I'm gonna put a board there and the bed is gonna go above the arches, wheel arch, and hopefully I can direct the heat from there. Yeah, we'll see. I'll see if I can record it, me doing it. I'm not a cameraman, so forgive me. Yeah, they've only, I don't know if I'm counting this wrong, but they've only given me 5 of these. I might have to go to the auto spares and get some more. But yeah, I've got 2 on there, 2 on there. Supposed to have 1 on there and 1 on the heater. But what I'm gonna do, just connect it from here, and then I'll have to just sort that out later on when I got time. First of all, I need to take that out. I don't really want to lose that fuel. And that. Cut that off. Trying to get the fuel back into the back in there, so I don't lose any, and it don't go over my van. Right, so that's that off. Right, what I'm going to do is cut that off about that there. What I'm going to do is put one of these on there. No. So temporary, I'm going to put this on there because I know no air bubbles coming in from here. And that. Right, so that's that. I see. That there. I should have done that a bit longer. That there. Thing is with these, you can use them on again. Can I cut a bit off and then use that? Don't need it. That bit. Okay. Alright, stick that back on there. Two of them. Go there. There's a screwdriver. Yeah, patches at the front. I've got all my rubbish and gear on my bed, so yeah, I was thinking about getting a one of them IKEA metal braces to go to make as a bed base. Seemed cheap enough to get me off the floor. The floor's a bit cold for the mattress. How much tight do you have to do these? Right. I think that can go up. Simple enough. If I can do it, anyone can do it. But right, Fury's gonna come out there, so I have to get on